So the first piece of the puzzle is we're gonna get the fucking E21 shell down. It's literally just been sitting up here for a long time. Don't fall. How long's that been up there now? Year, 2 years? Longer?
Yeah, 2 years.
So, this is the shell for the E21. It's pretty knackered, as you can see. Rust holes all over the place. It's already been cut up. Probably a good donor car. That bit's cut out of it. It's not looking great. And there's a Group 5 boot lid. Pretty mental. Rear quarter. It's going to be pretty wide now. That's crazy. Just look at it compared to the original car. So we managed to mock up all the panels. Let's have a little look. So we went all the way to Germany to get this kit. It's a fiberglass replica Group 5 kit. We think he's got the moulds right. That's how he made it.
Yeah, vaguely for 1/4.
So we just mocked it up on the car. Looks pretty fucking cool. We're missing one rear quarter, it's just getting strengthened up at the moment, so we haven't got that up. But yeah, she looks pretty wide. And fucking long now. Got a big wing on it. All sections. Super wide. So how long did this guy take to fucking do the kit?
Too long.
Took about a year.
Over a year.
Over a year.
14 months.
He finally delivered and it does look good. Just imagine that sitting on the floor. It'd be fucking hilarious. Got some mirrors. Those weigh nothing. Alright, cool.
Sweet.
Does look mad from here.